Imagine this. You finally decide to start investing in the stock market. You watch a few YouTube videos, download a trading app, and place your first trade. But after a few days, you realize something isn't right. The app feels slow. The charts are limited. Important features are locked behind paywalls. And suddenly, you're wondering if you chose the wrong platform. Here's the truth. Millions of Americans trade stocks every single day. But successful traders don't just pick the right stocks, they pick the right trading platform. So if you're planning to start trading in 2026, or you're thinking about switching to a better app, make sure you watch this video all the way through. Because today we're counting down the top 5 trading apps for beginners in 2026. And the number 1 pick might surprise you. Number 5, Robinhood. If you're completely new to investing, Robinhood is one of the easiest platforms to get started with. Its clean design makes buying stocks, ETFs, and options incredibly simple. While experienced traders may find some of the tools limited, it's still one of the most beginner-friendly apps available. Number 4, Webull. If you love charts, technical indicators, and market data, Webull is a fantastic choice. It offers much more advanced analysis tools than most beginner platforms while still being easy to use. That's why many active traders choose Webull as their primary trading app. Number 3, Fidelity. Fidelity has built a strong reputation as one of America's most trusted investment platforms. It offers excellent research tools, retirement accounts, educational resources, and customer support. If you're focused on long-term investing and building wealth over time, Fidelity is definitely worth considering. Number 2, Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab strikes a great balance between simplicity and powerful trading features. Whether you're a beginner investor or an experienced trader, Schwab offers tools that can grow with you. Its integration with professional-level trading tools makes it a favorite among many serious investors. Number 1, interactive brokers. For traders who want access to professional-grade tools, interactive brokers is hard to beat. It provides access to global markets, advanced order types, detailed analytics, and powerful trading technology. There's a bit of a learning curve, but many experienced traders consider interactive brokers one of the best trading platforms available in 2026. So which trading app is right for you? If you're a complete beginner, Robinhood and Fidelity are excellent starting points. If you want advanced charting and analysis, Webull is a great choice. And if you're serious about trading and want professional-level tools, interactive brokers deserves a close look. Which trading app do you use right now? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future investing and trading content. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.